It gives me great pleasure this morning to welcome all to MTN House, where we're flipping the chapter when it comes to corporate support for the beautiful game of football. Today, the mantra is powering our passion. Passion which has been driven over years, and passion which has brought all of us together as a people in a very unique way. MTN is here to start off another relationship which has been grown over the years and has laid a very solid foundation, not only for players who sweat and toil for the nation on the pitch, but also to give a massive experience for the people who go into the stands to support these people to bring overall glory to our beautiful nation, Ghana. There is a very beautiful wind blowing